Find the maximum and minimum value of the function sin x upon 1 plus tan x when 0 is less than x less than or equal to 2 pi. Given function y equal sin x upon 1 plus tan x, we let another function u which is 1 by y means 1 plus tan x upon sin x. If we break this term, we get 1 by sin x and tan by sin x. Now tan equals sin by cos, sin cancel out, 1 by cos, then u equal 1 by sin which is cosec and 1 by cos which is sec. Now differentiate it with respect to x, we get du by dx cosec x cot x plus sec x tan x. Now d2u by dx square, we have minus cosec x cot x minus cosec square means it is plus cosec cube x and cot x, differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec cot, then cot square cosec cot cos is cosec minus cosec square means plus cosec cube. Now minus into minus plus cot cosec minus cosec x cot x minus plus cosec cot square. Similarly, it is sec cube product rule and sec into tan square x. Now for maxima and minima, we put du by dx equals 0. Du by dx equals 0 means minus cosec x cot x plus sec x tan x equals 0. We have sec x tan x equal cosec x cot x. Now change all terms in all trigonometric cases in terms of tan x, means sec can be written as 1 by cos tan x. It is 1 by cos when it is multiplied by sin, then sin by cos becomes tan. Cosec is 1 by sin, cot is 1 by tan x. Now sin x into 1 sin by cos, then it is tan x into tan x into tan x. We have tan cube x equal 1 means tan x equal 1 and the value of tan x equal 1 is when x equal pi by 4. Since x lies between 0 and 2 pi, then we have to put the value of x between 360. First is pi by 4 and pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 also gives tan 5 pi by 4. 1. Then value of x is pi by 4 or 5 pi by 4. These are critical point. We have to check the value of u at this point. Now du by dx, d2u by dx square when x equal pi by 4. We have cosec cube pi by 4 plus cot square pi by 4 into cosec pi by 4 plus sec pi by 4 sec cube pi by 4 tan square pi by 4. We have cosec pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4 is root 2 cube plus 1 square into root 2 plus root 2 cube root 2 into 1 square, which is positive. No need to solve this value. It is clearly visible that it is positive. Then u is minimum at x equal pi by 4, then its reciprocal or the given function y sin x upon 1 plus tan x. Y is maximum at x equal pi by 4 and we have to find maximum value. Then maximum value is obtained when we put x equal pi by 4 in the given function. Given function is sin x by 1 plus tan x. Now put x equal pi by 4, we have sin pi by 4 1 plus tan pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and tan pi by 4 is 1. We have 1 by 2 root 2 and it is maximum value. Now for minimum value, we have to put second value of x, which is 5 pi by 4. Then d2u by dx square becomes cosec cube 5 pi by 4 plus cot square 5 pi by 4 cosec 5 pi by 4 sec cube, it is also 5 pi by 4 x, value of x, sec 5 pi by 4 and tan square 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 means 225. Then the value of cosec 225. Cosec 225 lies in third quadrant. We have cosec 180 plus 45. Cosec 180 plus 45 minus cosec 45. Minus cosec 45 means minus root 2. cube. It is cot square. Sorry, cot square. Cot 45, cot 225 is plus 1 square. Cosec 5 pi by 4, it is minus root 2. Sec 5 pi by 4. Sec 180 plus 45. Minus sec 45 minus sec 45 is minus root 2 cube. Sec 5 pi by 4 is, it is minus root 2 is 1. Then overall value is negative minus 2 root 2. It is also minus, it is also minus, it is also minus. Then at x equal 5 pi by 4 d2u by dx square is less than 0, that is u, function u has maximum value. Then the function y has minimum value then the function y has minimum value, and minimum value is obtained by sin x upon 1 plus tan x. Sin x upon 1 plus tan x. Put the value of x. Sin 5 pi by 4 1 plus tan 5 pi by 4. We have minus 1 by root 2. This minus 1 by 2 root 2, and it is minimum value of the function.